Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are planning an international trip and can't decide between Orange Holiday eSIM and Vodafone Travel eSIM, then this comparison is going to help you choose the better options for your travel needs. So first of all, if you are traveling across Europe, Orange Holiday eSIM is usually a stronger choice as most of the plans includes a generous amount of data, a French phone number and international calling credits. That makes it a great option if you need both data and voice services during your trip. On the other hand, Vodafone Travel eSIM is a better fit if you already use Vodafone or if you prefer a simpler setup. It offers you reliable coverage through the Vodafone's partner network, but the available plans and the pricing can vary depending on your destination. When it comes to the activation, both the eSIMs are very easy to install. However, Orange Holiday generally provides you more features for tourists, while Vodafone Travel focuses on keeping you connected with fewer setup steps. So, if your priority is more included features and better value in Europe specifically, Orange Holiday is better pick here. But if you want straightforward travel eSIM with dependable coverage, then Vodafone Travel is still a solid option. So overall, both are reliable travel eSIMs, but the better choice depends on where you are traveling and what features matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.